to whom it may concern. So the problem with the binding is this right hatchet. I can't get out of my binding. For starters, I'm lifting up the hatchet that should be releasing the mechanism, which is underneath here. It doesn't do anything. When you pay attention to this back screw, it goes down as it should when you strap in, and it lifts up as it should when you strap out. There's no connection between the binding and the hatchet. When I try to unstrap, here is a completely working strap. Nothing. Strap in. Everything is normal. Strap out. No effort. Again, the binding here, I cannot get out. I am using full force to try and get out of the binding. Nothing happens. So then I have to literally try and pry myself out. And again, nothing. I'm still stuck in the binding. It's been nearly a minute and a half. And now I have to put the phone down. At this point, I can't do any more. It feels like I'm gonna break the binding if I try to get out. There's nothing I can do, so I'm literally gonna loosen my boot and pull my foot out and try and get it out afterwards because I am stuck.